Professor Pradeep Kumar Sharma, the fact is that there is an increase in the demand for tech jobs. There's an increase in the demand for AI-related jobs, data, as Sir mentioned here as well. How do we keep up with this demand? We need to upskill faster to be able to fulfill this demand.
First of all, let me congratulate NDTV and thank you very much for inviting us for this Yuva program. The name Yuva. I think I am audible to all. Is it audible? So, I think all the Yuvas, when they are starting their journey as Yuva, they entered into the higher education part in university. We are taking care of the university part, and you can understand that when we enter into the university, we have some expectations. Expectations from our parents, expectations from our side, expectations from society. So as a university, we have some responsibilities. So our responsibility is to provide every sort of support to the student, which will make every student employable, which will make every student, every candidate, every Yuva responsible for their lives to be answerable to the society and they can have a happy life. So as per your question, what you are saying, that we are basically focusing on three main aspects of engineering, management and physiotherapy, which are totally professional career options for the students. We are providing undergraduates, postgraduate and PhD programs, and you can understand our parent group, this is University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur, but our parent group based in West Bengal is the oldest private institution in West Bengal. We started in 1989, and from 96 we are into AICTE approved courses. Right. So just give me 2 minutes, because sure. See, you can understand according to the requirement of the present time, artificial intelligence, as sir has said, is the need of the hour to understand, and we have to make the classrooms ready with AR/VR solutions, classrooms ready with every sort of support for students having understood the artificial intelligence needs, machine learning courses, as well as all sort of, you can say, project-based learning, outcome-based learning we have to provide to the students so that they are job ready. You can understand, most of the Yuvas over here will understand this, that when they select any job career, job they got in any company, within few months or within few years, they realize that they actually wanted this kind of job. Or the company realized that this candidate is not suitable for us. So after 1 year, either company give notice or candidate give notice for a change. This happens due to the non-compatibility of the skill set.
So our classrooms have to make our students industry ready and perhaps keep up with the... Yes. Let me open it up to the audience. And all of you who raised your hands when I asked you how many of you are interested in exploring a career in AI, do you feel like your classrooms are equipped with the kind of AI learning that needs to be? Any of you who wants to weigh in on this? I saw you, all of you holding, okay. Can we get the mic here, please?
So AI, of course, is a really change maker in today's society, and of course, within the next 5 to 10 years, it's gonna change the entire way the world works. Especially, I am a journalism student, so I think especially in media, it will make drastic changes. As for right now, I don't think our curriculum is as equipped with AI as it should be. But what I am witnessing is our teachers are making, our college professors are making constant efforts to incorporate it as much as we can by giving us assignments to use AI. So yeah, that's about it.
So in fact, it's interesting that you're a journalism student, because let me tell you, anchors are a dying breed with the intervention of AI. Anybody else who would like to weigh in on this? Anybody here? All right, I see a hand there, please. Go ahead.
Hi, so I'm into the sustainability space, and I can say the classes are still not equipped to teach the AI and the the diverse fields which are related to AI. But there are two things at place here right now. Firstly, there is good enough infrastructure and there are plans to create more infrastructure ahead. But we can reduce the cost by upgrading the already existing infrastructure like the government schools and many more private schools. And secondary thing being the methodology in which the concepts and the basics are taught. So this two things should go hand in hand in order to make the whole education actually affect the brain of the young minds.
So that's a very interesting point. And look at the diverse spaces in which AI is sort of making an intervention, from journalism to somebody who was in the sustainability space.
Yes, as far as writings are concerned, and as Sir also spoke about writing, so platforms like ChatGPT help us in evaluating our answer writing. If we are practicing for any particular exam, or we are doing any essay writing practices, so yeah, it's helpful. It gives very key points, and we are able to compare our points. What we do in our writing is generally we make a information overload when we write something. We write very unnecessary things which are not needed.
Sure.
And the crisp given by ChatGPT helps us a lot in evaluating our answers. And then the information given by ChatGPT, many of the points we miss even in our information overload. Many of the points we don't bother to know about it, or we just miss it.
So that is constructive use of AI, I would say. Professor Pradeep Kumar Sharma, what do you think? I mean, AI can be both destructive and constructive in classrooms and in research areas.
Yeah, let me emphasize on this. See, basically, what I used to understand that AI will be there right now, okay? There might be some, you can say, oppositions and some...
but whether you like it or not, it's here to stay.
Yes, yes, it will stay. I think all of you will believe, and I think I will ask you a very simple question. Can you answer the biggest company of the world who has made cameras, photographic cameras? What's the name of that company? Kodak. The biggest, largest. Where is Kodak now? Are you using Kodak right now? Are you taking the videography with large, big cameras like this? No, you are taking the videos with your phone. So technology will remain. Technology we have to accept. We ourselves have to susceptible about this particular environment. Let me emphasize on this, basically, what we discuss with our students, that university is a place of opportunities. University is a place of possibilities. Opportunities in the sense like we cannot bound our young minds that, okay, you please just go only this direction, in that direction. Sure. The young minds in a university can have the option, the possibility or opportunity to go in sports, like we are having a sports ground, so every kind of sports they can have. A young mind can go for, suppose, any robot preparation. We have our innovation lab, research lab, in which the students are creating the projects like, you can say, drones,
yes.
They are vertical vehicles, all sorts of, you can say, innovative projects they are creating. That's why, let me inform that our university been in the second place of Institution Innovation Council since last many years due to all these projects, innovative projects. But let me confirm that artificial intelligence will have to stay over there. We have to be susceptible about it, and we have to accept it.
I'm afraid I'm completely running out of time, but Professor Sharma, you had a point to make.
I'll just take 2 minutes. All of you will agree, because all the young minds are there. See, there is a very, you can say, a natural problem. And natural problem is like when you are sitting in a class, you might be feeling, means there is a class of suppose 60 students, and you will agree, sir, that if there are a class of 60 students, all 60 students are not at the same level. When the teacher is teaching, might be possible 10 best students are understanding, but 20 students are not getting anything out of that. But when they are in the class and not understanding the topic, their facial expression changes. If we can install one AI-enabled, which can capture the facial expression of a student, AI-enabled CCTV, and can get the artificial intelligence-based software to have that how many students have that particular facial expressions which resembles to not understanding.
So that's a very interesting
So
point.
teacher can have the immediate feedback.
We need to model our classrooms.
Yes.
We need to model our schools, universities around AI. I think it's a fascinating conversation to have. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for being with us. And of course, AI, as we discussed through the course of the discussion, is here to stay, and we need to adapt or perhaps get dated, as it were. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for being with us. Thank you.